Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Stevens County and northeastern Washington until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Colville, Oregon, 54 miles northwest of Priest River, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Colville, Kettle Falls, Marble, and Evans.